Wow.
Look at the trees.
Yes.
They're changing their
Colors.
colors.
Yeah.
Yellow, red.
It's going to be
Yeah,
falling.
you're right. Sir. And in each season, Central Park it's become different. See
Yes.
the trees leaves
So
falling.
it's this area. It's like a snow or anything here.
Snow?
Snow.
Yeah, it's gonna be snow, but mostly on January.
January. Here, this area also.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit, but you're right. Mostly in upstairs New York,
Yeah.
it's gonna be a lot of snow.
Okay.
Not in the city. In the city, it's gonna be but a little bit.
Little. Okay.
Yeah, also in each season, Central Park has become different.
Yeah.
Especially this area during springtime,
Okay.
because of a lot of cherry blossom trees. The
Yes.
cherry blossom, they do flowers like white, pink. It's gonna be so beautiful around here. What is? This is another small fountain. It's called the Cherry Hill Fountain.
Okay.
It's also called Show France. Now look at the building, guys, straight ahead. The building is called Beresford Castle. Beresford Castle, right now all residential apartment too.
Okay.
But Inari Castle supposed to be 4 towers.
Yes.
See, but from
Here,
now
3.
on, 3. Because
Yes.
it was built during Great Depression time,
Okay.
1929.
Okay.
The company became bankruptcy.
Oh.
And they couldn't build the force. They leave
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Even right now, they cannot build the force because
Okay.
it's the historical building, so they cannot change the history.
Yes.
That's why in the history street,
Okay.
all residential apartment there too.
Okay.
There we have also the beautiful bridge.
Yes.
guys.
Yeah. That bridge.
Yeah, the Bow Bridge that's
Yeah.
from Spider-Man movie.
Yes,
with,
yes, many.
Tobey Maguire.
Yeah.
The Spider-Man movie.
Yes, right there. The bridge.
Yeah.
Where
I mean-
we go this bridge?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can check, guys, because I cannot go. Yeah,
Yeah.
also.
How?
You
Where?
can check.
Here.
We're right there. That's the episode, guys.
Yeah.
Remo.
San Ramo.
San Remo. Yeah, architecture. He was from Italy.
Okay.
That's why he called name of city San Remo.
Okay. Remo. Yeah, sure. இப்போ பார்க்க போகிற ஸ்பாட் வந்துக்கிட்டு ஏகப்பட்ட மூவிகள்லாம் எடுத்த ஒரு ஸ்பாட். இந்த ஸ்பாட்டில் என்னன்னு சொன்னாக்கா பிரிட்ஜ் தண்ணி ஓடுற மாதிரி வச்சுருக்காங்க. இதை சுற்றிலும் ஏகப்பட்ட கஸ்டல்ஸ். அப்புறம் நம்ம வி கம் அஸ் எ ராங் பிளேஸ். மேபி வி கேன் டேக் அஸ் எ ஃபோட்டோ. No, come. We'll take photo. Is better view. ஸோ திஸ் ஏரியாவில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா சூப்பராக இருக்குது. பிரிட்ஜு கீழே அப்படி போகிற மாதிரி போடுறதுக்கு ஏகப்பட்ட இடம் வச்சுக்கிறாங்க. செம்ம கூலாக இருக்குது. இதுலேயும் படகு சவாரி போயிட்டுருக்காங்க. இது அவங்களுக்கு பழகி இருக்கும், ஆனால் நம்மளுக்கு அது சொல்ல முடியாதுல்ல. இந்த பார்க்கில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா இடையில பெரிய பெரிய பாறைகள்லாம் இருக்குது. பழமை வாய்ந்த மரங்கள், பாறைகள் எல்லாம் சுற்றி இருக்குது. எல்லாம் பிக்சர் தான். அப்பா முடியாது, தாங்க முடியலை. பாருங்கள், எல்லாம் உங்களுக்காக தான். காசை கொடுத்து இங்கே வந்து மரமும் ஸ்கை எல்லாமே அப்படி இருக்குது. இலை உதிர் காலம் வந்ததுனால மரத்துடைய இலைகள்லாம் நிறம் மாறிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. பாருங்கள், தெரியுதா? பாருங்கள், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்காக தான். ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு வீடியோ. சென்ட்ரல் பார்க்கில் வந்துட்டு உள்ளே வந்திருக்கோம். இதில் வந்து இது பல இடத்துக்கு சுற்றிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். இன்ஷால்லாம் பாருங்கள், எல்லாம் உங்களுக்காக தான். நம்ம சேனலில் நீங்கள் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலன்னா கண்டிப்பாக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கணுங்க. இது போல் பல நாடுகள்லேருந்து வீடியோக்கள் வந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ.
New
What?
Jersey.
You mean one floor, one apartment?
Yeah, they're on the top two towers you see. In each tower there are 10 floors, and most of them, each floor, one apartment,
Oh,
which is total area almost 6,000 square feet.
6,000 square feet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then
me-
also very expensive.
Oh yeah, because the price is like 35 million dollars. Yeah, to buy this floor.
Alas, I need to print now.
Yeah, and about the people who have apartments who
Yeah.
live near Central Park,
Yeah.
except for example they have their apartment, yeah,
Yeah.
and also they paying for maintenance.
Yes. So
Every month.
Yes. Yes.
That's for the security,
Yeah.
doorman, everything included.
Yeah. Okay, let's move. எல்லாம் எலக்ட்ரிக் பைக்கில் தான் வந்து ரவுண்ட் அடிச்சுட்டு போகுது. இந்த பார்க்கெலாம் நடந்து போகிறாண்டக்கா இப்போ இருக்கிற கூலுக்கு மண்டை கலண்டு போயிடும். ஸோ புவி சத்தத்தோடையும்
You guys heard about John Lennon, the Beatles? He was the British singer.
Yeah. Justin Bieber?
No.
Only I know only knew something
You're right.
because my language is Tamil.
No, you speak great.
Yeah.
And also, I just want to show you the building.
Yeah.
Because you're mostly interesting about the buildings.
Yeah.
That's also very beautiful. That building which is called the Dakota Building.
Yeah.
Dakota Building was built 142 years ago.
142 years ago. Okay.
That one. You see the beige one?
Yeah.
Look how it's also beautiful architecture. All residential apartment too.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I see. And the building, which is called Dakota,
Okay.
and the Plaza Hotel
Yeah.
and Dakota building was built by the same architecture. That's
Okay.
what it looks like Plaza. Look, I have one picture.
Yeah.
The building was the first building on Upper West.
Wow.
Look guys,
Okay.
nothing was around.
Here.
Yes, see
Ah.
this one was only here.
Only this picture.
Yes. You remember the lake inside the
Yeah.
park?
Yeah.
Back in the days, used to be natural ice skating. Local people ice skated there.
There only.
Yes.
Okay.
Here you see, John Lennon, the Beatles.
Okay.
This is why Dakota. Unfortunately, he got killed by his crazy fan. By
Okay.
the entrance the door.
Oh, really?
He was their singer,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
I'm sorry, guys. It's the mosaic of him, just the mosaic
Yeah.
from song. Guys, we're not finished yet. I just want to know, after
Yeah.
Central Park tour,
Yeah.
you want to go to the same spot? Where you want to go?
Yeah. Same spot. Much
The same
better.
spot, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Because I have to go. There are a lot of entrance.
Same spot, right?
Same spot? No.
Ah, very good.
No. Task, no?
Huh?
No.
Yeah.
If you want, I can take you close to Times Square.
Yeah. Times Square.
Better now.
Yeah. Okay. Times Square better.
Okay, sure. After I take you close to Times Square.
Yeah.
And pay attention to the benches. On the benches, you can see the plaques, the
Yes.
plate name.
Yeah.
Because more than 70% budget Central Park, it's all donations.
Oh,
And-
right.
Yes, so people donate to Central Park. So we place them on the benches.
Okay.
And there are more than 9,000 benches in Central Park.
9,000.
9,000.
Wow.
And
So all donated.
all donated. And
Yeah.
you know the price?
Yeah.
The price it started from 5 up to 12,000.
Oof.
Yeah. You can see, maybe they see most of them they have benches already played,
Yeah.
but you see some of them empty right here
Yes.
because it's not for forever.
Ah, okay.
That's for 2 years or 3 years.
Okay.
If you stop donating, they will take it off from the benches.
Oop.
Yes. That's why you see some of them empty.
Yeah.
This is their famous restaurant, another one. It's called Tavern on the Green.
Yeah.
From movie Godfather, Al Pacino, you know, Mr. Popper's Penguins, Jim Carrey, Ghostbusters. See people right there, they're bring some construction
Yeah.
because every first Sunday in November,
Yeah.
here's gonna be the finish line of New York City Marathon.
Ah, marathon. Start
Running.
from here.
Oh, finish here.
Ah, finish. Ah, okay.
Started from Staten Island,
Okay.
Brooklyn,
Ah, okay.
Queens, Bronx, and finish in Manhattan.
Manhattan.
5 city.
Okay.
You know, total 26.2 miles,
Okay.
42 kilometers. Yeah. There's also a baseball field. People came here to play
Baseball.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, about the view, you know, nighttime is different, daytime is different.
Yes. Yes.
Nighttime because of the lights.
Yes.
Daytime, yeah, you can see all the skyline. Look to that one. You see the square one building?
Yes. Yes.
You can see near 12 floors, 2 floors it's empty.
Yeah. Because of the air.
Yes, you see right there.
Yeah.
It's also for the wind. Even from there, from the last one.
Yeah.
Just imagine there, each floor you can sell for 30-40 million dollars, but it's empty
Empty.
for the safety building.
Yeah. For the circulation.
Maybe there are 10 floors like empty. That's for the protection. So 10
They will
floor-
they will take the money from the other floor.
yeah. Because of the nice construction there.
Yeah.
Yeah, for rich people, mostly it's the safety.
Yes.
With the safety buildings, it's like right there behind that was there. Let me show you. Behind the trees, you see the building,
Yeah.
the black and gold one. That's the International Trump Hotel.
Trump Hotel. Yeah, we went there.
International Trump Hotel,
Yeah.
but used to belongs to ex-wife.
Ah, okay.
Ivanka Trump first.
Okay.
But she passed away like almost 1 year ago.
Okay.
And it belongs to his family. Their family. And there are 24 entrances. In every
Yeah.
entrance, you can see the playground.
Yes.
It's the biggest one. You know, this better for people who live near Central Park.
Yeah.
Because some of their money from maintenance, they going to Central Park too. Maintenance also. We are going back to Times Square and welcome back to reality, guys.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the noisy city.
Yes.
Yeah, we did a loop, guys. We
Yeah.
finished our tour.
Okay.
I hope you enjoyed.
Yes.
Right now, guys, take you to Times Square. Through the way, I'm gonna show you a little bit
Okay.
buildings.
Okay.
That one straight ahead, you see,
Yeah.
it's called the Petrosian Building.
Petrosian.
Petrosian Building, all residential apartment,
Okay.
and it's all handmade.
Ah, really?
Yeah, it's the you see that building. Petrosian.
Petrosian. Yeah.
And yeah, this the skinny one.
Oh.
Yeah, you can see how it's going skinny, skinny, skinny. It's very crazy, yeah? And there also most each floor one apartment. Each
Oof.
floor, most of them. On the top you see how it's skinny.
Yes.
That's why there one floor, one apartment will get a view 360 degrees around. But it's going like smaller, smaller, smaller.
Yes. Scary one.
Scary one. Believe me, when it's gonna be cloudy,
Yeah.
you cannot see the top.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Just imagine people who live there, they're gonna be around the cloudy.
Oof.
And look to another building.
Another crazy building.
Another crazy building. If you guys see the red building,
Yeah. Not yet. Ah, this one. This one. Ah, yeah. Okay.
the red one,
Yeah.
they cannot take it off.
Ah, okay.
That's why the glass building, you see, they built over him.
Ah,
You
okay.
see on the top.
Okay. 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 This crazy things actually.
The thing is, they also came to take it off, but
Yeah.
they don't want to sold the building.
Ah, okay. That's
That's
what.
why he built a little bit over him. So you guys see, really,
It's like it's crazy. Maybe fell down. Khalas.
New York City, guys, money talks.
Yes.